Hello YouTube, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video show you my action figure unboxing and review of Marvel Legends Eternals Kingo. Yes, I got this market days for 20 bucks. Top it says build a figure Gilgamesh. 4 plus, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. It's released by Marvel and Hasbro logos on there. Hasbro did a good job with this figure, for the likeness of the actor's name is Kumail Nanjiani, who's played the role of Kingo in the movie. Okay, Kingo comes with the accessories, which includes the interchangeable hands and the left arm for Gilgamesh. So here's the front, here's the side, other side, top, the bottom says made in China. And here's the back. English. One small parts. Marvel and Hasbro logos are the same. Marvel Legends series. Kingo. An Eternal with the power to protect cosmic energy. Projectiles from his hands. Kingo over the centuries became an armor with the idea of fame. This is the strongest and kindest Eternal. Gilgamesh becomes Athena's de facto partner when the events of the past exile them from the other Eternals. Marvel's Icarus in English, each sold separately, subject to availability. The characters, which includes Marvel's Icarus, doesn't come with a Build-A-Figure piece. Makari 1 comes with the right arm. Marvel's Sprite 2 comes with the main torso piece. 3 Marvel's Circe comes with the left leg. 4 Fastos comes with the right leg. 5 Kingo comes with the left arm. And last but not least, 6 Druig comes with the head for Build-A-Figure Gilgamesh, which I don't have these figures to build as of yet, but hope to be able to get some more as soon in the near future, as soon as I can. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. Okay, so here's the front and the back of this figure. The head switch side to side. Dumbbell joints will go up and downward. Arms will go forwards, backwards movements. Got a bicep swivel, double jointed elbows. These are pinless. Which will go left and right, up and downward. Got diaphragm joints. Goes round and round. Legs will go forwards, backwards. Excuse me. Got thigh swivel, double jointed knees. Ankles will go up and down. It does have ankle wrappers. It's very stiff. Both fisted hands, like just like this. Gilgamesh with the left arm, with the gripping hand, will go up and downward like that, or you can use this with the fist hand if you like. There we go. Now you can use this with the right hand with the effects piece. You can mix and match these hands if you like. Just like that. There you go. And the skin tone does not match, so let's put it back. There, that's better. Alright guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe, and then let me know in the comment section below. Alright, bye bye. Oops, sorry.